Today I'm going to show you one of two ways to integrate Replo into your Shopify store. You can either install the Replo app from the Shopify App Store or initiate the connection directly from your Replo dashboard. In this video, we'll cover the method of installing Replo from the Shopify App Store. Go ahead and get started by creating an account on replo.app. But if you already have one, you can just sign in. However, if you don't have one, you'll be prompted to create one after installing the Shopify app. From there, you're going to want to head over to the Shopify App Store. Now you're going to want to search for the Replo app. There are going to be a bunch of options, so make sure you install the correct one. It's going to be Replo Landing Page Designer. Before you install, make sure you're on the right store. To do so, you can click on the icon in the top right corner and ensure that this is the correct store you want to install it for. Go ahead and click Install. Here, you can review the permissions we're requesting. If you'd like more information, please refer to our privacy policy. When you're ready, go ahead and install. You'll then be redirected back to your Replo dashboard. Here you can choose to either connect the Shopify store to an existing project or create a new project. For demo purposes, I'll connect to an existing project I have. If you have a Shopify password, you'll be prompted to enter it here. Otherwise, you've just easily integrated Replo into your Shopify store and you can now publish your pages from here.